Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Google Drive. So first, open a browser, any browser that you want, and then search for drive.google.com. So you can see on my search bar. Then log in your account. Then after that, you can see this settings logo on the upper right side of your screen. Want to click on that and then settings, and then here you can see the language section, and it has a button below it. It says change language settings, so you want to click on that. And then here, so you can see my language is English. So if you want to add another language, just click add another language. Then just choose any language that you want. So for example, I'm just gonna choose Filipino and then click select. And then after that, if you want to activate or if you want to use the Filipino language, just click this arrow. And then there you have it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.